Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to shot live photo on this device. If you want to take a live photo, firstly you need to open camera app, and here you will see live photo icon. It calls dynamic shots in Xiaomi. So click on this button and now your photos will be dynamic. So now just open this photo, click on live button, and click on this live button, okay. And as you can see, this just a normal photo, but this dynamic but this dynamic photo. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.